Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a chocolate sponge cake, so let's get straight into it. For your sponge cake, you're gonna start with 3 eggs, break them one by one into your bowl and keep your electric hand blenders ready. If you don't have it, your other option is to use your normal mixer, which also works very fine, as I have tried it and I used to use that first too. You're going to do this step for 2 to 5 minutes from a slower to higher speed, as you see a lot of bubbles being created, which will help the cake to rise. It's going to take a while, so trust the process and be patient. It's almost 5 minutes and this is the state of the egg mixture. Now is the time for you to add the sugar. Add 150 grams of sugar into 2 or 3 batches. I'm doing it in 2. You're going to start with slow to high so that the sugar is nicely dissolved in the egg mixture. Add your remaining sugar and beat it till it's fluffy and double in size. Add 1 cup of refined oil slowly in it. Those who are new to my channel, hi there, welcome to my channel. I am Simran and I post new videos every week. You can leave down a comment below what you want to see and I'll do my best to make it for you. Thank you. Now add all of your dry ingredients in it, that is 150 grams maida, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1/8 teaspoon baking soda. Sieve them nicely and take your spatulas in your hand. You're gonna add 1 packet of coffee powder to it too, so that you get that extra a bit coffee chocolate cake. Now you're gonna mix the batter in cut and fold method, the way I'm doing it. Do not overmix the batter because overmixing leads to reducing the air from the cake mixture that we just brought it into by beating it for such a long time. So we need that so that the cake can rise nicely. Now add 1/4 cup milk to your batter and mix it nicely. Here you can add more milk if required, only if you think your cake batter is still quite thick. That's when you can add little by little milk, alright? Now add 1 teaspoon chocolate essence. If you don't have chocolate essence, you can always use vanilla. I'm taking a 6-inch mold and I have greased it with oil. You can always use butter if you like, and line it with butter paper. Some like to line it on the outside also, that is the sides, so you can do that. I have just put butter paper down at the bottom. I am baking today's cake on gas, so I have taken a big utensil and have put salt down in it like an inch high, and I have kept it on gas on slow for 10 minutes, or you can always use oven at 180 degrees preheated for 30 to 35 minutes. Now that the salt is warm enough, I'm putting my cake in it and will be back right in 30 to 35 minutes to check on it. As you can see, the cake is done. We are going to remove it from the mold. As you can see, the cake came out so nicely and without any difficulty. You know the cake is done well. You can see how soft it is, and with this we come to the end of our video. Thank you so much guys. We'll see you next week. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye.